All right, so here's the thing. I absolutely love helping people make money online and like learn what it takes to grow a successful online business. So if I was sitting down with you one-to-one right now, this is the exact conversation that I would have for you or have with you to help you in really understanding what it takes to come online, get yourself set up for online business success quickly, get yourself in position for making money quickly, and actually help you in making money faster than most, just like I did when I got started. All right. So like hand on heart, I am telling you, if you really take heed to what I am sharing with you today, you will set yourself up better than most people. You will save yourself time, energy, frustration, and even money if you really listen to and take heed to and take action on what I'm going to share with you today. All right. So number one, okay, grab a notebook, grab a pen. You're going to really, really want to take notes on this. All right. The biggest mistake that so many people make when they come online and they have a desire to make money online is that they start falling for all of these opportunities and they invest their time, their energy, and their money into business opportunities and business ventures. And the sad thing is they're invested into these vehicles that are designed to generate revenue, but they know nothing about generating revenue on the internet. And so a lot of these ventures or endeavors or opportunities, they're not geared to teach you how to make money online, right? They're geared to just give you a vehicle that you can begin going out there and leveraging to make money. But if you don't know anything about the business of online business, you're going to fail. I've been online for 16 years and I've seen it time and time and time again where somebody will go out there and invest thousands of dollars into an idea of making money. And then they'll come to me because they don't understand like what the next steps are or why it's not working for them or even what to do. So don't make mistake number one by just going out there and investing or spending or throwing your money away on business vehicles. All right. Number two. Okay. That's really more like a heads up. All right. Number one. You got to learn digital marketing. All right. You have to learn this space that you're trying to make money in. Just like if you invest into a McDonald's franchise, honestly, did you know they don't just send you like off into your business to grow it? They send you to Hamburger University because you've got to learn the business of McDonald's. You're likely coming from an offline profession. You're coming from something not related to making money online, which means you likely know nothing about this space. So you have to learn digital marketing. And I'm going to tell you, like, decide to learn it in the most simplified ways. Don't invest into like these big, robust courses or these opportunities that are going to send you off into digital marketing space and you're going to go out there and never return. I'm telling you, like, you can learn digital marketing in such a simplified way where you can be set up for online business success in the matter of just like a couple of days to a few weeks, to be quite honest with you. All right. But you're also going to be set up where you are going to be able to continuously hone your digital marketing skills. So when I talk about digital marketing skills, what do I mean? Okay. Number one, you want to learn how to brand yourself. All right. Number two, you want to learn very simplified funnels or e-stores, right? You want to get set up in such a way where you have like a little website, some place where you can actually, offer your products through. All right. So funnels, very, very simple e-stores. You've got to learn how to get these things set up. All right. Email marketing, right? And email automation. So, emails that you receive from companies like every single day, companies like Macy's and Bath and Body Works and maybe other people in the make money online space, right? That's a part of digital marketing, right? They learn how to use very specific email automation tools and they learn the power of email marketing to help them in making money. All right. Another thing is you also have to learn how to get products set up. So oftentimes, again, I've seen it over and over and over again. People will invest into these ventures and they're like, Steph, how do I sell it? And they know nothing about funnels. They know nothing about email marketing. They know nothing about the platforms, right? And how to begin generating traffic and generating leads, right? So they end up essentially throwing away their money. So step number one, if you want to start making money online faster than most, and let's just set a goal of like $10,000 in the next like 2 to 3 months. Let's just call it 3 months. All right. And that is honestly a really, really great goal for someone that might be just getting started. And I'll talk about like doing the math and positioning yourself for the kind of money that you want to make. Because again, so many people come online and they don't factor that in. All right. That's why this is so important. All right. So number one, you got to decide to learn digital marketing in a very, very simplified way that's going to get you set up for online business success quickly in the key fundamental areas: branding, simplified funnels and little e-stores, email automation and marketing, right? And learning how to get very simple products set up on the internet for you to sell. All right. Number two, you want to pick a niche. All right. One of the first things I learned when I came online was if you want to get rich, market to a niche. If you want to go broke, market to all the folk. So when we talk about a niche, right, or a niche, however you want to pronounce it, right, I am in the wealth or the make money niche, right? I am in the niche of people that want to learn how to make money and accumulate wealth, right, through businesses. The other two niches that are the highest niches that you could make money from and that are consistently thriving is the health niche and also the relationship niche. These niches are always thriving. There's always buyers that are within these niches. So you actually want to pick a group of people where you know there are buyers and that you know whatever it is that you are selling, that there essentially are like people lining up to buy this kind of product or service. You don't want to, if you're trying to get going fast and make money fast, you don't want to step into an experimental space, right? You don't want to get out there and try to throw a brand new, fresh idea out there. And you certainly don't want to serve a market of people that are not buyers or that have, no inclination of making a buying decision. You don't want looky-loos. You don't want window shoppers. Like, you want people that have problems that need to be solved and that are willing to invest and or spend money to actually solve this problem. All right. So you want to really begin to think about who this group of people are, because you're going to have to position yourself on the internet to talk to these people every single day and to build relationships with these people every single day and to eventually sell to these people every single day. And then number three, we're going to pick a platform. So just like you're watching this video right now on YouTube from me, this is the platform that I hail from. This is the platform that I speak to my niche from, right? Like, this is where I build relationships. This is where I create awareness. This is where I sell. This is where I generate leads. This is where I make money from. All right. So you're going to pick a platform. That platform could be YouTube. It could be Instagram. It could be TikTok. It could be Facebook. It could be Pinterest. It could be a blog if you wanted it to be. It could be LinkedIn. But you're going to pick a platform and you're going to make the decision to show up on that platform every single day. When you're on that platform, much like I'm doing here, you are creating content, right, that is of high interest to your target market of people, to the niche that you're wanting to serve. You are answering questions. You are solving their dilemmas. You are, giving them insight. You are inspiring them. You are empowering them, right? Like, you're getting them to see that you have the answers to their problems. And you're also talking about, right, like the solution, aka the product that you actually have to sell them. Let me tell you something. Just focusing on these three things when I first got started, I made my first sale in 3 days of being online, and I made 28 sales. Count it, 28 sales in my first 30 days because I focused on learning digital marketing skills. I focused on speaking to a targeted niche of people that could relate to me, that I could relate to them. And I focused on showing up every single day on YouTube. In my first 30 days, I probably did about 30 videos. And guess what? 28 sales, because I focused on showing up, speaking to them, building relationships, and talking about the product that I had to sell that I recommended that they buy to help them in solving their problem. Now, number 4 is actually a skill set that I learned about 45 days into my making money online journey and my online business journey. But it's something now that I make sure all of my customers and or clients understand they got to get set up right from the beginning. So number 4 is you want to begin building relationships through your email marketing automations and also through your content. Right? So it's not just about like showing up on video and just like selling. It is literally about building relationships. Like you heard how I started this video. Like I want you to act like we're sitting down and having a conversation, right? Like I really show up in my videos. I care about my target market. I care about solving their problems, your problems. I really enjoy helping them learn how to get set up for online business success. And I talk about matters that so many people overlook when it comes to, the topic of making money online. But the one thing I didn't learn when I first got started was the fact that I needed to be building an email list, because that gave me another platform or another forum to begin building deeper relationships. And it's so funny because the very first year that I made 6 figures, over 80% of my revenue came because of my email list. So when you have an email list, which is a part of your digital marketing skill development, right, you now have that automation in place where you begin to build a database of people that you can begin following up with who might not be ready to buy directly from your platform. So again, whatever platform you choose, you're showing up on a daily basis, right? You're building know, like, and trust. You're beginning to build relationships. Some people will buy from you directly from your platform, but there'll be a huge majority of people, right? Or a huge percentage that are not ready to buy. And those will be the ones that actually join your email list. And guess what? You get to build know, like, and trust through that email list. Provide value, provide insight, right? Begin to answer their questions. And guess what? A percentage of those people will go on to actually buy whatever it is that you are selling. All right. And then the 5th area, right, is you absolutely have to have a goal and you've got to do the math. So again, if we're talking about coming online, wanting to begin making money online faster than most people, you don't want to be like in the clouds or not in the know of what it takes to meet whatever financial goal you have set for yourself. Like, don't just come online and say, I want to make a lot of money, because what is a lot of money? And how are you going to know when you make a lot of money? And you don't even know if you're set up to make a lot of money. Instead, you want to actually do the math. And so earlier you heard me say, like, let's just talk about $10,000, right? So like with the courses that I sell, I earn $340 every time I sell one course, and I earn $500 every single time I sell another one of my courses. Now, just as a side note, if you know that you need to develop your digital marketing skills and like you know nothing about any of the things that I've talked about, or you're not implementing these things inside of your business, like my courses will help you learn digital marketing and the business of online business in a very, very simplified way. I've helped so many people get set up for online business success who knew nothing about this space. And a lot of these people have gotten set up within a couple of days, and some it took them a couple of weeks, but still that's no time whatsoever, right, from starting from ground zero, and to know that you have everything that you need to help you in getting set up in this way. But if we do the math, like let's say $10,000, let's say I was just getting started and I was actually selling the $500 course. All right. I know, right, that $10,000 divided by 500, right, equals 20 customers. It means I've got to sell that course 20 times in order to make $10,000. So that means if we were to say I want to make $10,000 over the next 3 months, which guess what? For most people, they're not going to do that when they get started because they don't have this information. They don't know to do this stuff. Instead, they're spending the first 3 or 4 months out there investing into all of this opportunity, right? Like they're being blown away by all of the ways that they can make money, and they're not settling in to learn this stuff. But if you settle in and learn this stuff, right, $10,000 selling a $500 high in demand course to people that want to learn how to make money online and start an online business, right? That's what 6 to 7 sales a month. So do you think if you really buckled in, dialed in, settled in, and followed what I shared in this video, that you could actually set yourself up for that level of success? I say absolutely. Only because I've been in this space for 16 years. I know what I was able to do during my very first 30 days with a fraction of the information that my customers get access to now. And I know without a shadow of a doubt, if you focus here, this keeps you focused, right? And this keeps you doing the work that's going to help you in making money faster than most. So where most people get caught up in all of these things that they could be investing money in or spending money in or investing their money wrong, right? You'll be dialed in to the exact steps that actually help you move your business along and actually get your product, this course, or whatever it is that you want to sell in front of people that actually want to buy it. I really, really hope like this has helped you. If we were clearly sitting face to face, I would ask if you had any questions, right? I would answer your questions. If you needed help in figuring out like what you should actually sell, I could learn more about you and help you make those decisions. But in this instance, I cannot. So number one, I do hope that I have provided like great insight on, yes, you can come online and you can decide to make money fast. Or if you've been struggling, you can decide to turn things around and you can position yourself to begin making money fast by just simply doing the right things. Like it's all about behavior, right? You absolutely can. But if you do need help in number one, learning the digital marketing skills that I talked about in this video, if you do need help in like discovering your business vision, if you do need help in like figuring out your online business path and you feel like you're starting from like ground zero and you don't really know where to go from here, I can highly recommend one of my courses, which is called The Roadmap. And it is a very, very comprehensive digital marketing and online business training course. The beautiful thing is it also comes with master resale rights. So it's a course that's going to teach you the business of online business. It's going to teach you these digital marketing skills that I talked about. And if you don't have any idea like what you want to promote or what you want to begin selling, and or you just want to get out there and begin like making money fast inside of your business, you can come in, learn these digital marketing skills, and you can turn right back around and get set up for selling this course as your own. Meaning every single time you follow the steps I outlined in this video and then someone decides to buy the course from you, you're going to earn $500 directly. Right? It's all explained, within the information. You can go over to my website, makemoneyonlinewithsteph.com, or click the link right down below in the description to be taken over to the landing page where you can actually learn more about this. But literally, you'll have everything that you need to get set up for online business success. I really hope that you are leaving better. I hope this video provided great insight. If this is your first time here and you're like, Steph, I definitely want to hang out more. I want more of this information, right? Like I want your help on this journey. Make sure that you do subscribe and click on notifications. I am always uploading new videos. I'm always going live, and I am literally building a community of amazing people, like everyday people that just simply want to learn a legit way to come online, begin making money, and build a sustainable online business for themselves, right? Like no hype, like it's all very, very realistic. And I'm here to tell you, right, even though I might talk about money like all the time, it's not hype the way that I talk about it. It's I want you to know what's possible. And each and every one of us can decide to go as slow or as fast as we desire. But if you follow these steps, and especially with the last one, you position yourself for the money that you want to earn, and then you put the right action steps behind it, absolutely you can do much bigger numbers in shorter periods of time if you desire. But the key is in step number one. You have to acquire the knowledge. You've got to learn how to actually do business online. You've got to put that in front of investing into these opportunities or these money-making vehicles that are probably great vehicles, but if you don't know how to drive them, then you're not going to have any success. So again, if you want to learn more about like what I do, what I sell, and how you can do the same thing, and you can sell the same thing, because guess what? These courses are in high demand, right? They are in a high demand niche, right? The wealth and the make money niche, and digital marketing and making money online and starting online businesses. Guess what? It is so high in demand and hot right now because guess what? The economy absolutely reeks. So many people are coming online, like wanting to know how to make money online. And I really want to do my part to help more people not make the mistakes that a lot of people are making. I want to really set people up for online business success. That's why I do what I do. That's why I share in the way that I share, right? Like that's why I enjoy having like the conversation, because I want you to really, really know what is working. And I want to give you like a fair chance and a fair opportunity of making this real for yourself. All right. So go get more information. Like if you want to learn more about what I do and how I make money and how you can do it too, and even learn how you can actually get my mentorship to go right along with it. All right. Have a fantastic day. I hope I am leaving you better than when you came. I will see you in my next video and or my next live stream. And I cannot wait to connect with you.